Majeedia Girls High School and Junior College hosted a remarkable maths and science exhibition today, spotlighting the brilliance and creativity of its students. Thanks to the dedicated efforts of teachers Mrs. Fauzia ma'am, Mrs. Shaista ma'am, Mrs. Rizwana ma'am, and Mrs. Nishat ma'am. This inspiring exhibition featured a diverse range of students' projects from millet models to Chandrayaan 3 model demonstrating the fusion of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM concepts. The hands on displays and interactive maths games aim to kindle a passion for learning. The exceptional contributions of teachers Mrs. Fauziya ma'am, Mrs. Shaista ma'am, and Mrs. Rizwana ma'am were evident throughout the event. They mentored and guided the students, fostering a love for science and mathematics. These educators played a pivotal role in inspiring young minds to explore STEM fields. Headmistress Mrs. Nighat Rana ma'am and Supervisor Mrs. Rafia Sultana ma'am acknowledged the dedication and hard work of these teachers, highlighting their role in shaping the exhibition's success. We owe a debt of gratitude to all teachers of Majeedia School from middle and high school and junior college as well, especially Mrs. Fauzia ma'am, Mrs. Shaista ma'am, and Mrs. Rizwana ma'am, Mrs. Saima ma'am, Mrs. Nusrat ma'am, Mrs. Aisha Miraj ma'am for their tireless efforts. Headmistress Mrs. Nighat Rana ma'am said, let's explore students' performances.
Myself, Shiza Sharing, and meet my friend. Myself, Rahina. My model name is drip water system. Drip water system is the most efficient and deliver system for growing across. It's the deliver water and tank, deliver all the plants in the across the root plant and directly to the plant in the right time and the right amount. And thank you to farmers can produce this fertilization and energy. And this is really this is saving the water and the right time और इनकी ग्रोथ में पाया जाता है बेहतरीन जरिया है पौधों को पानी बचाने का और जो फार्मर्स हैं उनका शुक्रिया कहना चाहिए बिकॉज वो प्लांट्स की इतना देखभाल करते हैं और फर्टिलाइजर जमा करके उनके पानी जमा करके रखते हैं It's just for remaining of living organisms. On the hand, we have seen a beautiful lake and forest do not face problems such as in cities. They are not surrounded by cities because the restrictions, if we not control the pollution, we have big problem in cities. So the trends in the earth. Everyone, myself Asha Sindhika, she is my partner. My name is Alpha. We are studying class 9th grade. My model is Physics and Agriculture. I want to tell you Physics and Agriculture. Millet, there are type of grain that contain many crops like bajra, jawar and ragi, like rice and there are two categories of millets, negative and positive. Negative grain is rice, soya, bajra and positive grain is corn, bajra, jawar and ragi. There are many healthy benefits of millets.
जोर से
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Fariha Iram. My name is Shukla. My name is Sharika Patel. We study in class 6. We present the structure of a plant. Root, stem, leaves, flower and fruit. The structure of a plant. Plant structure can generally be divided into two parts. The stem which grows above the ground and the root which grows below the ground surface. The roots hold the sun finally and enter the plant. The main function structures of the root are to absorb and transfer water and nutrients from the
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Farida Eram. My name is Shivat. My name is Shaikha. We study in class 6A. We present the structure of plant. Root, stem, leaves, flower, and fruit. The structure of a plant. Plant structure can generally be divided into two parts. The stem which grows above the ground and the root which grows below the ground surface. The root. The main functions of the root are to absorb and transfer. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Farida Eram. My name is Shivat. My name is Shaikha. We study in class 6A. We present the structure of plant. Root, stem, leaves, flower, and fruit. The structure of a plant. Plant structure can generally